Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you some awkward shots in pool that come in handy pretty often. So first, I'm just going to get right into the video. We are looking at this shot right here. So it doesn't have to necessarily be the 9. Usually I go for it when it's the 9. But let's say we have our 3 ball, another ball somewhere down here. The next ball that you have to hit is down here. 9 or some other ball hanging over the corner pocket, preferably the 9 ball if we're going for it. So if I hit this ball with dead center, you see I'm coming pretty close to the 9, and I'm also coming in line for my 7. Now in this case, with this exact layout, I'm not going for the 9 ball right here. If the layout is, if just running out is easier than trying for the 9 here, and we're going to get to that in a second. If it's just 3 balls on the table and I just got to go forward here, draw back, 9 in the corner, I would not go for this shot. But especially if there's more balls on the table and this route is clear to your next ball, we are looking to come near that 9 ball. We may make it, which is great, but the reason why we shoot at it is if we make it, we win. If we don't make it, we're still in line for our next ball, and then we're out from there. But if this ball is somewhere awkward like that, this also may be a reason to shoot it. Because if you don't think you're getting past this 7 ball, if you don't think you can land absolutely perfect on that 7 ball, you might as well try for the 9 and then play a safety. Because this 7 ball, beginning players might think this isn't hard, but if you try to make it in that corner, you're going to scratch, and it also does not go in the side, and you'd have to land pretty dead straight to make it in the opposite corner. So in this case, 7 ball is hard, looking to come close to the 9. You're going to have to look where your 3 ball is to determine what spin you're going to use. In a case like this, I can use a little bit of bottom. Got a bit unlucky there coming in behind it. But the higher your 3 ball is and the straighter, really the straighter in and higher you are. But if you're this high, this one is top spin to come near that 9. If I use backspin, I'm going to come over here. But one thing that really makes it important when looking at making that 9 is looking at the angle off of it. Now you see I've always come close to it, but I haven't made it yet. Until I look at the angle is when I'm able to make it. So that shot, that carom shot right there, it's good to know when to play it. When is the right choice. So let's move on. This shot right here is also kind of a Hail Mary shot. Let's say that this is mostly a 1 pocket shot. You usually see this in 1 pocket. I don't know why you shoot it in 9 ball. I don't know why you just shoot a combination. But if you imagine like everything, like if balls are like this, I guess this could be a reason if they're stuck in the hole and they won't like bust through. I know they will on this table, but I can't really think of a reason in a rotation game you'd shoot this shot. But in 1 pocket you'd shoot this shot all the time. This little 2-railer. Shot like this. 1 pocket, usually, generally you just want to get the ball close to this pocket. This is the route we're going, off 2 rails. Be careful, most people when they first start shooting this shot, they take it off more rails than, they take it too wide. And then they usually overcompensate and take it too short. It's really a feel shot. I can't really tell you an exact system for it. You're just going to have to feel it out. And you see, you're generally going to come close to that pocket. thing I like about this shot is using the slow speed and just trying to get it near it. Because remember, this is for one pocket. We're not necessarily making the ball yet. We're kind of pushing it towards our pocket. That was a little shallow. It's a tough shot to make, but not a tough one to get near. So if that makes any sense to you, that little route right here is one of the most important ones to know if you are playing one pocket. And I think that is the make, and there it is. So yeah, let's move on to the next shot. So this shot right here is really cool. This one, I don't know why you wouldn't just shoot the combo in this case. I guess you make it to a situation where you could not shoot the combo. Let's look at this shot right here. Our 3 balls here. 8 ball is there. Let's move our 3 ball up. 8 ball is here. This shot is really cool, actually. So right here, we want to make the 9 ball, obviously, but we can't. We can only just kick at that 3 ball and hope something goes in. But this shot right here, kicking at it from the other direction actually pretty much wires the 9 ball in. And the good thing about this shot is if you always want to shoot it short. See, shooting it long leaves everything here, ball in hand, 3-9. But if you shoot it short, you're guaranteed to move something. The goal is to move the 9 out of the way if you're not going to make it. Either way, you want to move the 9 out of the way, whether it's a good hit or whether it is just by accident. The goal is to kick at it, and what I'm actually trying to do here is come off the 3 into the 9. And we need to hit it a bit hard, and if the 3 is within about a ball's length of the 9, it should work. Just like that. And even, I didn't watch if that was a good hit or a bad hit. Even if it was a bad hit, the beauty of this shot is the 9 spots up. So then, instead of a 3-9 combo, yeah, you give a ball in hand, but what safety were you going to get out of it? And now your opponent has to run the rack instead of shooting a combination and then winning with almost 0 effort. Pretty much 0 effort, maybe 1% effort. But let's move on to the next shot. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for 65,300 subscribers. Make sure if you enjoy the channel, if you've been a subscriber for a while, or if you just joined the pool army, make sure that you share the channel with your friends so we can get as many people watching this channel as we can. This channel, I think, is one of the best pool instruction channels on YouTube because of how kind of casually I explain stuff. I'm not an over-explainer of like statistical things. I'm not exactly breaking it down as much as other people do. I'm making it simpler. So thank you guys so much for watching. Share the channel. Comment down below what you want to see next. Any suggestions will be taken. And maybe your name thrown out in a credit for a video. So make sure you come and subscribe, like, comment, share. And we will all be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.